Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo V15 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So, firstly, we need to open the control panel. But to open control panel, you need to swipe from down to up, and great. So, first we need to disable all unnecessary features. So if you don't use Wi-Fi right now, disable it. Disable mobile data if you don't need it right now. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable game mode if you don't need the game mode right now. Disable nearby share. Disable all you don't need. Okay, great. Then open the settings and open the screen settings, display brightness. And here we have dark mode. Enable it. Enable dark mode. Why? Because here we have LED screen in our Vivo V15 Pro, and it means that in dark places screen can't produce the black color. Okay, so in black places screen is disabled. It's not LCD screen where we have the LED panel under the LCD screen and LED panel lights and shining every time, the whole time, and we can set up on the brightness. No, here our screen was created from 1,000 micro LED lamps, and LED lamp can't create the black color, so any lamp can create black color. Okay, cool. Go back and open and find here battery. And in battery we can switch from normal mode to low power mode, and sometimes we can enable the super power setting. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.